Hello, my beautiful, gorgeous, generous, big hearted Leos. In just a few days, it is going to be our season. I am also a Leo, and I welcome you to the Red Cord Tarot. Please hit subscribe to join our tribe, and please be good to your fellow Leo person, and please like, subscribe, please, if you like me, if you like my channel, if you like the content I put up, if you like the reading, if you like anything, please hit the like button. It really helps, and Leos need to stick together in our pride, don't we? So here we are doing a reading about how your person, the person on your mind, the person you're thinking about, it can be your ex, it can be someone you're in separation with, whatever your situation is, um, what are they thinking, feeling about you, how are they seeing you at this current time. All right, my Leos, let's get started. So, what is in their heart? King of Cups, emotional mastery. So, the very first thing I can tell you for sure, Leos, is that this person has genuine, authentic love and a lot of it for you. You'll go, ha, I know. There's a sticky situation, there has been a lot of waiting and confusion. You seem to think that it's never going to happen, so we are going to take a look what's going on in their heart, mind and soul, what action they're going to take towards you. All right, this person has an issue. All right, they don't know how to express themselves. Now what they want to do in their heart, this is not yet action, they want to come towards you with a message, but they are, look at the difference between the page and the king, right? The emotions are so much, but this is how little they want to express, because they might be intimidated, whatever the reason might be. They might be younger than you, they might be immature than you, whatever the situation is. They are hoping, they are wanting in their hearts to somehow connect with you, send you a message, ask you out for a cup of coffee or a date, send you an apology. You know why? Because the way they look at you is wish fulfillment, and oh my god, their ultimate happiness. They see you as someone who fulfills all their emotional needs. uh, Quite right, I might say. So, what's on their mind is Two of Pentacles, the balancing act. I do not particularly like Two of Pentacles, not just because it's a juggling card. It can mean there are two situations they are juggling, whether it's two people, you and a very demanding job, be it that they are financially in a very bad situation. The thing is with Two of Pentacles is that it moves in the infinity symbol. This cycle seems to never end. It's like again and again the same conversations, it's the same thing happening over and over again. It's a very exhausting energy of Two of Pentacles. So we are going to see why their mind is still in this Two of Pentacles. On one hand, they are aware how much they love you, that you are their empress, you are the one for them. They're very clear, but there is a huge amount of exhaustion and weariness. They are also feeling defensive. Okay, now why is that? Let me clarify further. So what is the confusion? If Leo is seen as their person, why is there this wounded warrior energy? Why is there this defensiveness, near defeat? Why? Okay, they have to move away from a situation to come towards you. That's what the whole thing is. They have to give a sacrifice, they have to change their perspective. whatever the situation is, they need to move towards you. So what is the action they're going to take? Oh my god, soul contract, justice. They know they have treated you extremely unfairly. You did not deserve to be treated the way they behaved, and so in the action they want to do something to restore the balance, bring back the harmony, all right, but also to give you what you deserve. Yes, they are planning, they are making something that is really going to work with you. Okay, it has been very long time in coming. The Knight of Pentacles is the slowest knight of the deck, right? So what they are trying to do is step by step make sure that there are no mistakes. It could be about a third party situation, but they know that they love you. Yeah, for a lot of you it is a three party situation, but not for all. At this time they could have been indulging, partying, but they have realized that they want their happiness and it lies with you. They want to reconcile. They might be asking you out to a gathering, a party, something like that. They're coming in rapidly. This has come in the action, so they're not just thinking about it. Okay, they are going to be coming very quickly towards you with a proper serious proposal for something long term. Like I said, for some of them this person could be married, but they are deciding to move towards you. So what is underlying all this Two of Pentacle and confusion and all of that is Four of Sword, healing and recovery. Okay, so whatever has happened in this person's past, it can be in their childhood, in their previous relationship, it can be with you also, and all the cards have come out in reverse. Whoa, it left them feeling not so independent. They are probably someone who is not on top of their game. They have all the potential, okay, to be financially independent, to lead an independent life, to be successful, but they are not utilizing that. They are terrified of showing you their emotion. Can you see the partnership with the King of Cups that's come out? But they are terrified of dealing with emotions. They are not sending you the message with, even though they might be writing and deleting texts a lot. Or they could be like, should I go? No, I shouldn't. Should I go? No, I shouldn't. They want to send you these passionate messages. They want a fresh new beginning with you. But they also know that to have this fresh new beginning with you, they need to end something else. So what is the message from the higher self? How is the higher self assisting them, or what's going on? Is Hermit, soul searching. Their higher self has isolated them, made them very withdrawn from everyone around them. So right now you both might not be communicating, but it's not just with you. They have withdrawn pretty much from everyone, and now they'll slowly be coming out of this energy. So if things were icy, with the sun energy of yours, and with Mars and Venus in Leo right now, this is going to thaw, and they are going to get on their chariot and move towards you, realizing how deeply they love you. So please give me more messages, clarification, additional messages with the Hermit. They are getting downloads. They are being pushed, not just nudged, by the higher self, right, to end a certain cycle that is redundant now. It's done and over with. Okay, so they have already gone through a huge tower moment. They are in a process of grieving, but again, they are seeing the potential that they have been so far focused on the spilt cups, where they were not getting anything in return. That person was not fulfilling their emotional needs. They didn't have happiness there. They have been in this grieving, in this lack mentality, that this is what my destiny is. And now their focus is being turned to the upright two of cups, that is with you. And they are being shown the potential of birthing something new with you, that all hope is not lost, because there's a card of rebirth here possible. There is going to be healing in the situation, whether you both get back into a relationship or not. Their life, if you think they have been very happy, they haven't. No matter what they are showing you on the surface, they are not in a good situation. They've gone through a lot in the past few days. Now I'm going to see what additional messages I can pull from all these cards for you, and then we are going to get a guidance card. So what I'm seeing is, this person misses you. They want to heal a situation with you. They want to bring, or they are being prompted by their higher self to bring an end to this juggling act. They see you as someone who has withdrawn from them as well. Okay, that you have just cut them off, that you are giving them extreme cold shoulder, but that you are their true love is how this person is seeing you. To just do a quick recap, what are the energies, what are the possibilities here if this person allows this death and rebirth to take place, because they have been put through the grind by the universe to end a certain situation by changing their perspective, to move towards calmer waters. Their previous situation might have been ultra drama filled, fights, conflicts, arguments, or them not feeling like their authentic self. They are exhausted from all of this that has been going on. All right, but what has actually happened is, they have been missing you, dear Leo. They have been extremely unhappy, and alongside that, the universe brought the tower down. The universe ended a certain situation. Now, for some, and obviously not everybody, this this could be, I'm not laughing, it's just, it's the theme of this month, right? Apparently they could have been married, but that is crumbling. They did not make the choice in the situation. They just wanted it to continue. They were like, I don't want to change anything, I'm fine, I'll stay in my unhappy but familiar zone. So the universe crumbled it down. The universe is prompting them to become independent, to be on their own for some time, to work on their emotions, how they express it, on their time and effort where they are pouring it, as well as their money. So this person might have been extremely broke. What the universe has made them realize is that their love for you is true. You are the person with who they are supposed to birth something new, not necessarily a child, but something new, a new paradigm, a new way of relationship. Something important is supposed to happen here, that this love between the two of you is genuine and authentic, and nothing else compares. There's 3 of cups versus 10 of cups. That is the amount of huge difference between what they had or have versus what they have with you, what they share with you. They have been made to realize how much they miss you. Yes, this person could have indulged in a lot of addictions such as alcohol to suppress those emotions, but the more they tried to do it, the more they realized you are their wish fulfillment and you're the only one who can make them this happy. There needs to be balance restored in this relationship, which seems to be a divine, sacred, destined partnership. There needs to be healing over here. Justice needs to be brought over here. So, this person is being prompted by the universe to get on the chariot, rapid action, send you messages, whoops, bring you that offer of love, of stability, of what you deserve, and stop being so slow. Can you see the contrast between this and the chariot? This is what they were in the past. So now they are taken off this horse and they have been put onto a chariot. This might come as very unexpected. On the other hand, they also see you as very independent, very beautiful. You could be a single mom, some of you who I'm talking to, okay, but they see you as an empress, someone who is in command, someone who is very intuitive, kind, loving, caring, someone who is very sensitive as well, someone who is very generous and gives, be it emotionally or any other way. They look at you as someone who is very passionate, who has all her life or his life in order. This could also be a very divine connection, a higher sacred kind of a connection, and they are realizing that. Well, whatever is going to happen might blow you away. It might be all of a sudden and you might not be expecting it. You might have thought that is the end of the situation, but I am not seeing the end with the Hermit card. It is a separation. It is so that both of you could heal, evolve, grow, all right, and the higher self has been working over time with both of you to put down your defenses, to open your heart. So your heart chakra might be feeling magnetic thing, palpitation, like something going on in your heart chakra, purging, crying in this Cancerian season. There might have been a lot of healing going on. So one card from the Moonology deck for my Leo viewers, for how do they see you? How do they see you? They know very well they are the one who has to come towards you, or this is not going anywhere. They know it. Surrender to the divine. Alright, so Leos, the message I'm getting from this card is this full moon on 24th of July, okay, which is in Leo. I want you to do a complete surrender and release ritual. I will talk about what colors, candles, etc., and what kind of stuff you can do. Most of my prior subscribers already know about it. You're very close to achieving your goals, right? So what you need to do is surrender completely. Please understand, there's a difference between quitting, giving up, and surrender. Surrender means you will continue being your best, leading your best life, being happy in what is currently, making the most out of it, trying your best in whatever you're putting your heart, mind, and soul into, without a specific outcome, without a specific person in mind. Okay, so just surrender, be grateful to the universe, express your gratitude daily, and watch the miracles unfolding, because it's so close, you can taste it. So please do remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you don't so mind, please comment and share as well, my dear Leos. Leaving you with so much love and light.